In many families, though there is no problem, people do not speak to one another. Going from the correlation era to the hating of one another. Someone introduced somewhere we call brother, sister, daddy, mama, auntie, and we maintain the distance with the blood relations because we wanted to keep them far. If we want to have human relations, only way is to keep them the conversation, dialogue. How to make it stand out? Talk about a new topic when all the members are present. There, your idea, your ambition are not important. You speak or not is the matter. Every day, the leader of the family has to gather all the family members and talk about a common thing. This is just your opinion, and you don't invite them to accept or opposite. Simply say what you wanted to say. Maybe economic matters or goals or family matters, whatever it may be. You speak for 10 minutes on a common theme and it will build a good community. If you can have time with your people, unwittingly your thoughts will come out and you are playing a very perfect game. You can share your joys and sorrows so that your human relation will be strengthened. Why is it important to speak? When we speak without hurting, any person will be motivated and you will turn out to be a good speaker. Speaking should not be a problem. Do not make a plan. Do not say indirectly that you are not able to do anything or you are trying to get help from other person. That means do not say marked words. ముసుగు వేసుకునే మాటలు మాట్లాడకండి. Talk about a general relationship with clear light words. Relationships can be strengthened through interesting topics. We can build relationships through things that interest people. You speak and proclaim your goodness and do not expect anything more from them. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you have an unacceptable ethos, leave quickly. Your obligation to say that I do not like it. Don't resist because there is a level of silence between supporting and opposing an event. There should be a center point between two different destinations. If you accept it, you are in the habit of listening to other people and telling them if you can interrupt the act of speaking, they will understand it. They get used to hearing your words, and when they get used to it, you can say what you want to say. We can make a plan by speaking human relations, economic relations, family planning, and so other things. When you have fear about economy, health, or COVID-19, you just put them aside and say something else. Then they will bring you into the real topic. That is, they bring you to the goal of finding the solution to the problem that is going on. Many times we wonder how this person can be happy despite all the hardships. When I decide whether I want to be happy or not, the words that go with it and the action that go with it come by itself. The person who is supposed to die is looking for someone who can hear. The one who suicide will have a greater desire to live more, but he is not concerned, so he dies with the pain. When the speaking and hearing go as one, human relationships arise and have desire to live long. When someone is in difficulty, bad situation, or someone thinks that he cannot live anymore, give the word, I am there. Put a word to put a life. Give a word to strengthen relation. How do we use the words? Good words can lead to good results, if not bad results. People will see our action, not our intention. Through our good words, we will be recognized as an activist. You will be recognized as an upriser. Everyone believes that you can achieve anything, and only then you will have a greater success relationships.